Hi everyone, my name is Asiya and I'm currently pursuing my BSc CS with Artificial Intelligence in SDNB Vaishnav College through face prep, and I'm here to share my experience throughout the year, how this face prep have changed my life and how from a beginner I have now known how to code in Python and even started in HTML. So first when I started to get into the class, everything was very different since they started with hand-on trainings, and I thought I will be learning more theory based, but actually they gave a technical task for every day, and even we did many certifications to improve our communication, and even we did certifications in LinkedIn and TCS, which improved our personality and communication and even technical skills. These lectures and even the way the mentors guide us are very different, and this have helped me to actually get better in my communication and do well in Python. And even the interviews have given me hope that I can get into a better company if I keep on pushing myself. So thanks to face prep and thanks to the mentor for giving me this opportunity.